Item number 4, expensive phones and gadgets. And as I've said, I'm very keen with the words, how I use the words. And this one will hurt a little. And expensive smartphones, expensive smartwatches, the latest gadgets that you can think of, not because you need them, not because they are going to solve a particular problem, but because you want to look upgraded. You want to look upgraded with what's happening in the world of gadgets. This is the issue. Most people don't use their phones to build skills. Rarely. Very few people do that. And I'm not sure if you're one of them. They use the phones to scroll. They use the phones to consume a lot of unnecessary content that doesn't help them at all.